Hey, are you trying to lose weight? Then watch the following video. It helped me, so why wouldn't it help you?
Have you done everything to lose weight? Keto diets, paleo diets, vegan diets, nothing works for you? I found the solution, without diets or strenuous exercises, believe me. Hi, my name is Carlos. Today I want to tell you about a new way of losing weight and keeping it off permanently. No matter how much you eat, if you want to lose weight, you should use my secret. I lost 8 pounds in just a few weeks without dieting or doing exercise. It's all because of this new pill. For years I have tried everything. I used to work out for 4 to 6 hours a day, but I could not see the results I wanted. So I decided to look for another solution. I read about ketogenic diets 1.0, 2.0, paleo, vegan. But these are not working for me. I did paleo for 3 months. Then I tried the vegan diet. But these are also not working for me. I tried a special diet and other extreme diets. Nothing worked. If you are looking for a way to shed those unwanted pounds without giving up your favorite foods, then Exipure is your answer. A new pill has been developed to help women and men lose weight and not gain it again. For those who are having issues losing weight, Exipure helps them to lose weight while avoiding water retention and also boosts their metabolism, allowing them to burn more calories. Scientists have formulated a new pill with 100% natural ingredients, which has the ability of destroying fat cells without causing any side effects, increasing metabolism and avoiding water retention, thus eliminating the need for rigorous diets or long sessions of physical training. And it's very effective to stop fat from accumulating in our bodies. This new natural pill is manufactured in FDA-approved laboratories, and it's currently on the market. If you're interested in knowing more about this revolutionary weight loss pill, click on the link below to go to the official Exipure website for more updates, best price, discounts, and bonuses that Exipure has today, only for a limited time. Don't believe me? Check it out for yourself risk-free. The developers of Exipure are so confident and satisfied with the results of this new pill that they will let you try Exipure for 180 days. Yes, 6 months. And if for any reason you are not satisfied, they will give you your money back, no questions asked. This is your best guarantee that this method works. Click on the link below to visit the Exipure's official website and change your life forever. This is your chance to change your life. Click on the link below and discover the most effective method that science has formulated to lose weight and keep it off permanently.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.